Did you know that a good sales funnel can outperform a traditional website by tenfold? In other words, you can make 10 times more money with the sales funnel than you can with the website. Stick around to the very end and I'll share with you how you can make a copy of the sales funnel I use that generated me $1,000 a day. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Garrido, chiropractor and entrepreneur, and on this channel you can follow my journey as I attempt to make a full-time income with the Legendary Marketer program. And on this channel, I'll teach you high-ticket affiliate marketing skills that allow you to create $1,000 days as well. So in today's video, we're going to start with the basics and understand why it's important to create a great sales funnel. You know, in the vast sea of about 1.5 billion websites, how do you plan on standing out? Internet success really starts and ends with creating a very good sales funnel. You know, according to a site, Martico.com, approximately 96% of visitors that come to your website are not ready to buy, but they may be willing to provide contact information in exchange for valuable content. That said, you have no more than 8 seconds to persuade your website visitors to stick around. Do you hear that? 96% of people who visit your website are not going to buy. So it behooves you to do all you can to get their contact information so that you may be able to follow up with them. This is why sales funnels have such a higher conversion rate. Why? Because websites aren't really designed to make sales. So websites are great for disseminating information and creating authority and establishing trust, but for generating sales, not so good. Sales funnels, as in the name, sales funnels, are really great at creating sales. Why? There's less confusion. Let's take a look. Here's a chart that I pulled up that shows a traditional website. You know, you have your logo, you have your banner, you have your content, news. You got all this traffic coming in, but people have so many choices, so many options on where to go, they end up not doing anything in the way of sales for yourself. Here's a site of mine, drjoegarrido.com. Very similar, right? I have my logo, I have my banner, I have information, I have an opt-in form. There's so many choices, there's so many things that a potential customer can look at and go to that I'm really not generating sales all that much from this front page website. Now, if you compare that to a sales funnel, you got all that traffic coming in, but they go right here to this lead capture page. The lead capture page, by design, has very little distractions on it, and it's really designed for one thing, and that is to capture a lead. So that looks more like this, right? They go on this site, there's only one thing for this prospect to do, which is to click that green button and go forward into the process. So this lead capture page, they call it in my sales funnel, outperforms this website 10 to 1 in terms of creating sales. So how do sales funnels work? First, you create a lead capture page, and we'll go through these other steps down in other videos, but the first step is to create this lead capture page. And once they enter their information on this lead capture page, then they're entered into this follow-up sequence I have on aweber.com, about 35 messages already preset to go out every day. So follow-up is really where the fortunes are made. Some stats suggest that email will top 2 billion users by the end of this year. And there was a stat that I uncovered that for every dollar you spend on email marketing, you can expect a return of $44. Email marketing is really where you're going to create conversions down the road. The lead capture page ultimately directs people to a bridge page, which we'll talk about. But again, both the lead capture page and the bridge page is all about creating less distractions and less confusion, because the differences between these two sites here is that there's less confusion, less distraction, and it only leads to the one event that you want your prospects to take, which ultimately leads to more conversions. Remember, given the two choices between one action and many different actions a person can take on this site, between reading, going on different links, so that these prospects will ultimately not do very much that will lead you to sales. But this here, you're guiding them down a process that only requires one action and one action only. This is the lead capture page. Once they enter their information, they go to my bridge page, and on this bridge page, there's not much distractions. It only leads to one thing, which is to go to the video sales letter of the 15-day challenge for Legendary Marketer. So remember, a confused buyer doesn't buy. A sales funnel offers less confusion, less distraction. So in the end, using a sales funnel will definitely outperform a traditional website because of its clear message, less distraction, and higher conversions. So hopefully this makes sense. And whatever business that you're a part of, it's going to behoove you to take your energy and create a sales funnel in the hopes of getting prospects that you can follow up with. It's not to say that you should give up on a website. Websites do form part of your sales process. They should be there to educate and create authority, create testimonials from your customers and put it on there. So whatever business you have in the world, create a sales funnel and then tie it in with a website on the back end. That's the way to play a sales funnel and a website at the same time. Now, if you want your own high converting sales funnel just like mine, what I suggest you do is go to 15daystolegendary.com, go through my sales funnel, purchase the $7 15-day business builder challenge, and then contact me and I'll help you create this $1,000 a day sales funnel that I'm currently using. All right, I hope you found value in the content I provided. If this is the kind of content that resonates with you, please go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I would appreciate that, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye now.